Has this ever happened to you? You get in the car, turn the key, or push the button, and nothing. No start. But the lights, radio, and dashboard all work just fine. The battery seems good, so what's going on? In this video, you'll learn 5 things to check first when your car won't start but the battery is okay, so you don't waste money guessing or swapping random parts. The start button is pressed, lights come on, but there is no crank. Dashboard lights glow normally, yet the engine remains silent. Before we start, a quick warning. Modern cars are full of electronics and safety systems. Some of these checks are easy for beginners, but if you're not comfortable, always call a trusted mechanic or roadside service. This video is for education only, not a full diagnosis. Keep your owner's manual handy and roadside assistance ready. Tip number 1. Check your shifter and the brake. This sounds too simple, but it's one of the most common reasons a dead car suddenly starts. Most automatic cars will only start if the gear selector is fully in park or neutral, and you're pressing the brake pedal firmly. If the shifter isn't fully engaged, or the neutral safety switch is worn, the car can act like the battery is fine, but the starter is dead. Try this. Press the brake hard, move the shifter from park to neutral, and try starting the car in neutral. If it starts in neutral but not in park, you may have an issue with the shifter cable or the safety switch. Tip number 2. Listen carefully to the sound it makes. The noise you hear when you try to start is a big clue. If you hear a single loud click but the engine doesn't turn over, that often points to a starter motor or starter relay issue. If you hear rapid clicking, that's usually a low voltage problem to the starter, even if your lights still work. If you hear nothing at all, no click and no crank, it could be a bad ignition switch, a blown fuse, a bad relay, or a security system problem. Always listen. Click, rapid clicks, or silence all tell different stories. Listen closely. Single click, rapid clicks, or silence guide diagnosis. Tip number 3. Inspect the battery connections and grounds. Yes, your battery might be fully charged and test good, but if the connection is weak, the starter won't get enough power. Pop the hood and look at the battery terminals. Do you see white or green crusty corrosion on the clamps? Are the terminals loose enough to wiggle by hand? A dirty or loose connection can let the lights and radio work but kill the starter. Also look for the main ground cable from the battery to the body or engine block. If that ground is loose, rusty, or broken, you can have a no start with a good battery. Cleaning the terminals and tightening the clamps is a simple, cheap fix that saves a lot of people. Clean and tighten battery terminals to restore solid starter power. Tip number 4. Check your fuses and starter relay. Between your key or start button and the starter motor, there are fuses and relays that control the power. If one of these fails, the starter never gets the signal. Open your owner's manual or look at the fuse box cover to find the starter, ignition, or ECM fuses and the starter relay. If you see a blown fuse, that's an obvious sign, but never just replace it and forget. Sometimes a blown fuse means there's a deeper electrical problem. For the relay, some cars let you swap it with another identical relay, like for the horn, just to test if the car starts. If swapping the relay makes the car start, you've likely found your issue. Tip number 5. Check for fuel and spark basics. If your engine cranks, meaning it turns over, but it still won't actually start, your battery and starter may be fine. The problem could be fuel or spark. Ask yourself, can you hear the fuel pump hum for a second when you turn the key to on? If not, you could have a bad fuel pump, a bad fuel pump relay, or no power reaching the pump. On the spark side, worn spark plugs, ignition coils, or a bad crankshaft sensor can all prevent the engine from firing, even when it cranks strongly. You usually won't fix these in a parking lot, but understanding that crank but no start is often fuel or spark will help you talk clearly to a mechanic. There are more advanced possibilities too. A bad alternator can leave your battery low after driving. A failed security or immobilizer system can lock out the starter. In rare cases, a broken timing belt or very low engine compression can cause a crank but no start situation. But for most drivers, the first 5 checks we covered, shifter and brake, starter sounds, battery connections, fuses and relays, and fuel or spark basics, will narrow things down quickly. So here's your quick checklist if your car won't start, but the battery seems good. Number 1. Make sure the car is fully in park or try neutral and press the brake hard. Number 2. Listen to the sound. Single click, rapid clicks, or total silence. Number 3. Inspect and clean the battery terminals and main grounds. Number 4. Check the fuses and starter relay using your manual. Number 5. If it cranks but won't start, think fuel and spark and call a pro if needed. If this video helped you understand what's happening with your car, hit like so more people can find it. Subscribe to our channel for more simple, clear videos that help you fix car problems and avoid getting ripped off. And let me know in the comments. What problem does your car have right now, and what video should come next? Thanks for watching. Tap a video to continue.